to Liwag, adjust, wala. But look at Trevor Hamito rising over Justin Baltazar for the 2 points.
Oh, second putback already for Hamito. Hindi niya kailangan niya lang talagang mag-effort na kumuha ng offensive rebound.
Archie Concepcion with a quick response. 9 points for Archie. And we've been talking about off the air yung effort plays na nakikita natin dito from Bacoor. And that has been the difference. You know, there was a point in game 1 na sabi ni Coach Alex, di talaga siya natutuwa sa effort na pinapakita ng team niya. But here come the Lanterns. Concepcion. And not getting the easy two. Joel Liu, that's an effort right there.
Except
making the opponent earn the 2 points on the night.
So if you want to get that championship trophy, kasi yung glaring na yung message ng Bacoor, they need to earn it for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. It's not gonna be a walk in the park for them. Yes, they're down 0-2. Itong Pampanga up by 2-0 in the series. Pero ito yung Sedel, ngayon ramdam ko na yung beauty nitong format natin sa Mpbl. It's the home court advantage, really. Okay, right now, we're jam-packed here, pero, outside, ang dami pa po mga tao na hindi nakapasok.
Sabi nga ni Coach Alex, if there's one thing he wanted to take away from Game 2 was actually yung improvement ng effort ng team niya. As we bring you this free throw from Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kompletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Coach Louie, hindi niya, pangat yung effort. But hopefully, for Bacoor, it's not too late.
Oo, they are champions for a reason, Sadel. Siguro talagang nagulat lang sila doon sa game nila against Pampanga in that game 1. Okay, tremendous improvement in game 2. Okay, right now, they're fighting toe-to-toe against this mighty Giant Lantern.
2 made free throws para kay Archie Concepcion that brings Pampanga closer, 55-53. Liu, binabantay ni Serrano. There's Ivando Dovice. Daniete has it. Fakes the handoff. Michael spins. No. Liwag collects the rebound for Pampanga.
Oh, nandun na yung kumpiyansa eh.
There's Enzo Serrano. There's a double team. Liwag. The kick out to Archie Concepcion.
And the shot clock. Quick double for Baltazar.
Tapos sa tira ni Allen Liwag.
You're gonna like the effort of these two guys. Ito si Ivan Ludovice at ito si Joel Liu.
Oo. Wala na silang pakialam eh. Ayaw nilang libre yung player ng Pampanga. Even if, lalo na pag may bola na.
Hindi biro yung layo ng rotation na pinagkaligan nila sa Del.
Iniwan nga niya si Enzo Serrano, bahala ka dyan.
Oo.
Takbo kami sa loob. John Herman is back in the game. Serrano fires. Wala. Nermal fresh off the bench gets the rebound. Liu.
Good pass.
Nice pass to Hamito once again. Jammer with 6 points in the game, and Bacoor is up by 4.
And again, sa akin, yung hindi sa nila, yung performance right now ni Hamito tsaka ni Cañete, yung alam nilang kailangan sila sa Del.
That's true. Garcia, high arcing 3.
Yeah, that's big. That's big.
6 points for MJ Garcia. Had one of those high arcing 3s as well in game 2. Ludovice, Hamito, jumper, did not get the bounce. Garcia gives it up to Enzo Serrano. Serrano. That's a foul.
Enzo Serrano. Again, okay, we're talking about this, Adel. Who's gonna be Gold's lucky pick right now? Game 1, it was Kurt Rayson. Game 2, it was Archie Concepcion. And now, I think, for tonight, it's this guy. Natitira ng free throw line, si Enzo Serrano.
been on attack mode tonight. 14 points for Encho Serrano, and he ties the game. Pampanga has taken the lead here. They were down by 5 to start the fourth. John Herman.
Oo, ito, bumalik na yung tatlo. Si Ludovice, Heruta, and itong si James Kwekwe.
Daniete looking for a way through. Labas kay Kwekwe, three-pointer. That's good. What a treat. What a treat. 60 to 58. Garcia
That's it.
fires. Yes! That shot hurt all the way to San Fernando, Pampanga.
Oo, alam ko lang kasi sa Delph yung 2-second layup eh. May 3-second 3-pointer din pala.
Oo. Pero ang hirap pa rin kasi dito sa likod ng gagaling.
Ang layo talaga.
Kwekwe, that's a backcourt violation. And these young guns of Pampanga responding here in the fourth quarter in a big way. James Kwekwe knocking down the three, nothing but net. And how about MJ Garcia? Pangalawang tres na yan here in the fourth quarter.
And you know, this guy, MJ Garcia, yung impact na binibigay niya every time na ini-insert siya ni Coach Gov Delta talaga.
On both ends of the floor.
Oo, not just in this game. Alam mo yun, ang daming laro.
Bacoor getting the stop against Encho Serrano. Down by 1 on strikers. Nermal makes his move, spins. John Nermal!
Great move. And again, with yung energy right now ni John Normal at ni James Kwekwe, credit that dun sa bago yung binigyan sila ng pahinga nila nung grupo nila Ivan Ludovice at Joel Liu.
In this address ni Encho Serrano, nakuha ni MJ Garcia ang offensive rebound. Here's Encho. Down the middle. Encho! Oh! He can score in a variety of ways. Encho Serrano, meron siyang dire-diretso na atake. Meron ding minsan, binabagalan niya.
Oo, and you know, ang pinakamaganda sa larong ito sa Delph, hindi niya pinipilit.
Oh! Wow!
James Kwekwe. Again, you cannot just be good. You need to be great in this game sa Delph.
That's true. Concepcion down the middle. That's a foul. And it will go against Marquis. And look at Encho Serrano. That was lovely. Yung control niya sa sarili niya doon.
Oo, yung Pinoy step back.
And how about this one? Kwekwe gets Concepcion in the air and knocks down the big three.
Oo, and talking about concentration in that finish.
65 to 63. Ceasefire muna tayo. Magbabalik kami for game 3.
Bounces to Balti. That's the first Balti slam in the semifinals. Going to MJ. Garcia will fly. Up, and away.
Sa lahat ng aking mga kababayan, mga kabalin, inibitahan ko po kayo na patuloy na suportahan ang inyong Pampanga Giant Lanterns sa kanilang paglaban sa North Division Finals dito sa 2023 Mpbl. Salamat po sa patuloy na pagtangkilik sa Mpbl ang liga ng bawat Pinoy. Maraming salamat.
As MJ drives, there's the kick out. Santos for 3. Yes, sir.
The center, Manny Pacquiao, our Mpbl founder, wife Jinky and Israel is here. And they're all here.
Oo. And thank you, boss, for this treat. Alam mo yun, Sadel, we waited for this moment.
Coach Elvis Tolentino and Kyle also in the building. Minsan this is one of those games na ayaw mong matapos.
Exactly. And for the players as well na they worked hard for this. Ilang buwan yan sa Delph. Hindi biro na mapunta ka at this stage of the tournament playing for the national final.
A.G. Gonzalez for team manager and owner of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, along with Congressman Don Gonzalez, is also in the building. And Archie Concepcion at the line for 2 free throws. Chance to tie the game. We're halfway through this fourth quarter. That's Kong Dong right there. Archie Concepcion with another stellar effort here in Game 3, 11 points. Perfect 5 of 5 at the line.
And it's really a great matchup. And especially Archie Concepcion now stepping up itong fourth quarter sa daw.
Yeah. For more on Bacoor, let's go to Sidney Crespo.
Alam niyo si Delphin Coach Louie, sinabi ni John Nermal sa akin na nahirapan siyang makahawak ng bola nung Game 2 na tuluyang nakaapekto sa kumpiyansa niya nung gabing yun. Pero bilang natural hustler, hindi papayag si John hanggang dun lang siya sa series na ito. Kwento niya sa akin, nandito na siya kaninang 10 a.m. pa sa Strike Gymnasium para mag-shooting mag-isa. Kailangan daw niyang pantayan ang energy ng mga Bacooreño. Hustle at depensa, yan ang normal para kay John. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Sydney, on that. Nice report on John Nermal, and here he is. And look at this. Was not able to finish, John Nermal.
Oh, that's a poor shot by Marquis.
Good stop here by Pampanga. Garcia, that's an air ball. Concepcion, out to Baltasar.
Great
Drop
pass.
pass to Liwag, in and out. Justin Baltasar. Got that one to go, 67 to 65.
Again, control the boards. That's what Justin Baltasar just did.
Marquis went on a fishing expedition and nakakuha siya.
Experience
ng foul
mode na
kaya
talaga.
Justin Baltasar. And that's rebound number 17 for Justin Baltasar, already with 7 points in the ball game. And Marquis at the line.
Yeah, crucial free throws for Marquis.
That's off to the left for Marquis. Was Dennis Abella.
Okay. Yeah, gave up scoring already and instead focus on the other things. I like his leadership. Alam mo yun, yung nagtitimo sa depensa si Mark eh.
Yeah, he's the anchor of that defense.
Oo.
And siya rin ang nag-communicate eh. Siya nagde-direct.
Exactly.
Baltasar on the double team. Serrano to Concepcion for 3. Yes! 4-point lead for Pampanga with under 4 minutes remaining.
And that's big.
And Bacoor respond. Nermal. 8 on the shot clock. John Nermal for 3. Yes! John Nermal, 20 points in the ball game. 69 to 70. Serrano with a spin. Oh my goodness! Echo Serrano.
Again, so this is the series that we're expecting. Okay, right here in front of us, this game 3. This is championship at its best.
What a showcase this has been. Nermal against Garcia.
Good pass.
What a pass. Igilos is blocked and the foul whistle on Justin Baltasar.
And again, okay, credit again that setup from John Nermal. distracting the defense, giving that dish to Jmo Egulos down low, got fouled by Justin Baltasar.
And Jmo Egulos and that seemed like a fatigue setting in on that free throw.
Both of them, and you cannot, though it's gonna be split, pero as much as possible, these are the crucial ones, Adel.
1 for 2 for Jmo.
Yes, split by Egulos, split also by Marquis before that possession.
Two-point lead for Pampanga. Encho Serrano. MJ Garcia drives. No good. Air ball. Baltasar with 3 seconds in the shot clock. Balti on the turnaround shot. Lead is back up to 4. 10 points para kay Justin Baltasar.
Yeah, big time basket for a big time player.
John Nermal again. Nermal with a 3. Wala. Ang tapik.
Yeah,
That
clearly
is off
striker's
Archie
ball.
Concepcion. Two minutes and 3 seconds remaining. Fresh 14 for Bacoor. Apat ang lamang ng Pampanga. Ludovice gets into the paint. Egulos too strong. And Pampanga gets the stop.
And the defensive tenacity of this Giant Lanterns, not quitting. Okay, whatever happens, okay, star player playing, struggling offensively, pero hindi sila nag-quit eh. Because
Justin Baltasar makes it a 6-point lead. Back-to-back baskets for the reigning MVP. Here's the fadeaway from Justin Baltasar.
who have thought that ang layo pa ni Justin in terms of scoring, pero right now, at this moment of the game, yung impact niya sa laro, okay, naramdaman na natin. That's why he was named the most valuable player.
Timeout muna tayo. 76-70, lamang ang Pampanga. Minute and 35 remaining in Game 3. Representing our Suzuki muscular and sporty fan of the game, just like the Avenis, do more and achieve more with a muscular and sporty scooter from Suzuki. The Avenis, oras na para magmotor. It's been a great Game 3, but for the fans of Bacoor, medyo anxious sila dito because their team is down by 6 with a minute and 35 remaining in Game 3. And Coach Louie, yung pinag-uusapan niya natin, itong team ng Pampanga, they just wear you down. Nakakapagod kalabanin.
Yeah, true, Sedel. And that's one thing that we're gonna appreciate with the trust being given by Coach Go of Delta. Putting fresh legs inside, maximizing na he knows na bata yung team niya. And they can do it hanggang sa huling minuto.
Here's Nermal. Finds Ludovice. 3 seconds on the shot clock. Ivan for 3. That's off. Minute minute and 20 remaining. Aaron Heruta will report to the scorer's table. And he's back in the game for Ibando Davise. Bacoor needs a stop.
And you know that they're gonna use that clock. The same 5, almost. Kaya na tumapos nung game 2 sa Delp.
Serrano, layup, short. Rebound, Jammer Hamito. Gets it to Marquis. Slips. Baltasar with a steal. Serrano is open. Encho for 2.
What a time to get yung biggest lead po sa larong ito at 8.
78-70. Pampanga can smell it. The fans making the trip to Bacoor. Very unfortunate here for Marquis.
Oo. And again, sa Delp, i-repeat ko lang yung sinabi mo. They're gonna wear you down. And right now, makikita mo na sa itsura, sa actions nito ni Marquis and kanina ni J.Mo Egulos that the fatigue is sinking in already.
Coach Alex Angeles and the Bacoor City Strikers. They're hoping and praying that they can turn things around. They do have 48 seconds. And a lot of things can happen in 48 seconds.
Pero ang mahirap dito sa Delp, Pampanga still has 2 more fouls to give.
Congressman Don Gonzales taking it all in.
Oo.
And why not?
Again, one of our pioneers here in the Mpbl. Every year they're trying to be competitive, and I think right now, in front of us right now will be the 47 seconds left, maybe the first championship for the province of Pampanga.
That's a foul on Encho Serrano. This is the 3rd team foul. Becate fires the 3. Yes! Deficit is down to 5.
Oh, and you know what's good there? It didn't take them too long. Okay, 8 seconds to convert one. Still possible, so though.
Just a 2-possession game. Pampanga up by 5. Let's listen in to Coach Alex.
One thing here sa Delp is where will itong Pampanga take the ball out? So crucial kasi if they decide na ilabas yan doon sa front court, that's gonna be 14 seconds lang.
That's a tough 3-pointer to make for James Becate. He's had a lot of that here in this series. Here we go. 40.6 seconds remaining. Pampanga will have possession.
Yeah, they're taking it out backcourt, so that makes it 2 possession ball games at all.
Encho Serrano to inbound. Bacoor has no more timeouts. Oh, he stepped on the line. MJ Garcia. So Bacoor gets the stop here.
Oo.
It's a lifeline, but they have to make the most out of this.
Oo, and they need to do it there. Kasi ito nga Bacoor strikers, wala nang timeout.
And Bacoor convert. They go to Quecote. James, wala. I thought that was a bit early there, Coach Louie. Serrano in trouble. Gets it to Concepcion for the layup.
That's icing in the cake.
I think that's it.
Well, okay, talking about Archie Concepcion in this fourth quarter.
Yee inside. Gets the 2 points. It could be too little, too late. To 75, Pampanga on the verge of clinching their first national championship. Take a look at this one. James Quecote with a difficult three-pointer. That did not work. Encho Serrano able to find Archie Concepcion. And just the presence of mind and yung physical ability that this late of the ball game, tumakbo pa doon, get a transition basket, kahit anong pagod nila sa larong to.
And you know that, especially with Archie Sedelf, playing with that purpose, okay, he knows that it's been a struggle for him all throughout, pero his performance in that game 2, and now, nadala niya pa hanggang dito sa game 3, this organization will respect and cherish him.
.7 seconds remaining.
It's gonna be a quick foul. Expect a quick foul.
Encho Serrano finds Garcia. They have to give up a foul here.
Yeah. So let's see if Coach Gov Delta will play offense, defense here. Kasi madalas pag ganito, aalagaan mo na eh. Pero sa babalikan ko ulit yung habang nagkasalita ka kanina at the start of of the game when both man is holding that trophy. I think it still stays. Wala pang team na nanalo in their home turf.
Oo. Yun nga eh. Ganun talaga dito sa Mpbl. 2 for 2 for Encho. And it's all over. Right here, foul by Rayson on Aaron Heruta.
Ayaw pa rin. Gusto bang patagalin ang konti ni Kurt Rayson eh. Winning this one, Pasko sa Pampanga sa doon.
Oh my goodness, yes. 82-75. Joel Liu makes the basket, but it's the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Well deserved, Sedal. Well deserved.
The 2023 Mpbl National Champions. A dominant season ends with a championship for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. A sensational season. 28 wins in the regular season, 9 wins in the playoffs, 9-0 in the playoffs.
And you know, Sedal, this is a repeat of what they did. Okay, there was a big yung semifinals ng finals ng Northern Division. San Juan, there's a big challenge. They rise to that. And today, against this Bacoor, in Bacoor's gym, they rise to the challenge again. Congratulations, Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
Sensational effort from the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, and despair for John Normal and the Bacoor City Strikers. He gave it everything he had in Game 3, and it just fell to a much superior team in the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. And what an end to our season. Yung Game 3 natin was really, it may end up as a sweep, no? A 3-0 sweep. But these last two games, especially itong Game 3, wow, what a classic and what a showcase of what the Mpbl is all about.
Oo, totoo yan. And these are the things na siguro right now with the organization, yung babalikan mo, yung performance mo ng Game 1. Because it's gonna be different, Sedel, if they perform well in that Game 1, knowing na ganun yung format. It's a 2-2-1 format. So you need to steal one there. You cannot afford na matalo kayo ng walang laban.
Yeah, absolutely. And, Pampanga had a mission tonight. They wanted to bring home that trophy early back to Pampanga. And Enzo Serrano making sure na mangyayari yan.
Yeah, he was so relaxed, kasi minsan makita mo na kinakausap siya lagi ni Coach Delta kasi masyado siya agresibo sa lahat ng bagay. Especially, pero today, he played relaxed. You can see his concentration.
And he was under control.
Oo.
Buong game natin na nakikita, ito si Enzo Serrano. Not too high, not too low. And yun nga ang resulta. A terrific performance to cap off a dominant season for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Let's go to Mika Bisak.
Encho, sa dami ng injuries, off games, sabi mo sa akin minsan nagkakainisan na kayo ng teammates nyo. Eto na, nagbigay ka ng isang championship at bukod doon, sweep pa.
Ayun nga, sobrang sayo kasi before game kanina nagdasal talaga ako. Kasi alam naman natin, first game namin, second game namin, wala akong natulong sa team namin. Kaya, sabi ko sa sarili ko, kailangan ko mag-double effort ngayon kasi hindi madali kasi yung court ng kalaban. Basta gusto ko lang na makabigay ako ng tulong sa team namin kasi sobrang pangit ng nilaro ko nung mga pass. Ngayon, na-overcome ko naman and nakuha namin yung champion.
Encho, nakita ko kanina, pinagdikit nyo ni Balti yung noo nyo. Anong sinabi mo sa kanya?
Sabi ko sa kanya, champion na tayo, tol. Lahat ng hirap natin na pinagdaanan natin dito, natapos natin na maayos. Napag-champion natin yung mga Kapampangan at yung boss namin.
Encho, anong gusto mo sabihin kay Governor Delta Pineda at sa lahat ng sumusuporta sa'yo?
Siyempre, unang-una nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa lahat ng Kapampangan para kay Kayuya po yung Pialong ini. And sa amin, sa boss namin, kay Gob, kay Kong, kay Boss CG, maraming salamat sa inyo, boss. Kundi dahil sa inyo, wala kami dito ngayon.
Maraming salamat.
And binabati ko yung family ko. Sorry, wala ako sa birthday ko, sa mama ko, para sa ito. And sa lolo ko, Tito Joseph, happy birthday. Ngayon yung birthday niya. And sa girlfriend ko, kay Zea. And sa kila Kyle, kay Bianca. Tapos yung mga kapatid ko, yung mga pinsan family Serrano and Caralde. And yung mga palit boys sa Santo Niño boys, yun lang.
Napakagandang birthday gift. Happy birthday, Encho Serrano. Sa Del Coach Louie.
Congratulations, Enzo Serrano. He is our best player of the game in this title-clinching victory of the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. And I think we're going to be preparing the stage, center court, for our awarding ceremonies. And we'll get more of the players from the champion team. Let's go to Sydney Crespo with Archie Concepcion.
Yes, mga kaliga, kasama ko nga, syempre, ang isa sa mga homegrown ng Pampanga Giant Lanterns, Archie Concepcion. Archie, buong season, paulit-ulit mong sinasabi na bago matapos ang taon na to, ibibigay mo muna yung championship kay Governor Delta Pineda. Pagkatapos ito, kung naman mangyari, bahala na. Ngayon, you made history. You are an Mpbl national champion.
Grabe po, sobrang blessed ko po na nakuha po namin yung championship. Grabe po yung tiwala ng mga management po, yung management, mga teammates ko, coaches, lahat ng Kapampangan community, grabe po yung tiwala na binibigay nila sa amin. Para sa inyo po to.
Archie, balikan lang muna natin saglit. Itong game na ito, no? Hindi rin ito pinadali ng Bacoor para sa inyo. They have their own adjustments, firepower, at gustong-gusto rin nila itong kunin. Nandun ka hanggang dulo, ano ang nangibabaw para sa inyo?
Ayun, tiwala po namin sa isa't isa. Yung composure po namin nandun pa rin po. Hindi po kami bumitaw. Gustong-gusto po namin manalo para sa mga kapalan po namin. And especially kay Congressman Don Gonzales, kay Gov Delta Dennis Pineda po. Maraming salamat po.
Archie, matagal ko na itong gustong tanungin sa'yo, no? Maganda ang naging career mo dito sa Pampanga, pero dumating si Encho Serrano, dumating si Balti Baltazar, hindi ka naging selfish. Anong gusto mong sabihin sa mga teammates mo?
Yun nga po yung sinasabi ni Gov. Yung lanterns po, pag may nawala na isa, hindi magandang tignan. Kaya nagsama-sama lang po kami. Yung tiwala namin sa isa't isa dapat nandun po.
Archie, I'm sure marami kang gustong pasalamatan. Sino ito?
Unang-una po, pinapasalamatan ko po ang Ama. Binigyan niya po kami ng lakas para makuha to. And pinasasalamatan ko po si Coach Gov, si Coach Pedek, mga coaching staff, management, mga boss, especially yung family ko, asawa ko, anak ko, mama ko, mga kapatid ko, tita, tito, Conception family, Dugot family, and ang Kapampangan community, and yung binan ko.
Mula sa mga liga ng Pampanga ngayon, Mpbl National Champion. Congratulations sa'yo, Archie. Andrea, sinong kasama mo?
Yes, Ed, kasama ko naman ngayon si Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda, our winning coach. First of all, congratulations, Coach Gov. Coach Gov, this is the first time in Mpbl history na nagkaroon ng sweep sa national finals. It's under your coaching with the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Ano po ang napatunayan ninyo at ng inyong team ngayong gabi?
So first, napatunayan ho namin na talaga yung mga players ng Kapampangan talaga malakas. Sabi ko nga, yung pagpunta ho namin dito, it's against all odds. Pero sinabi ko sa mga bata because sa dasal na baon natin ng mga Kapampangan, dumigit lang tayo ng fourth quarter, atin na to.
Coach, paulit-ulit kitang narinig, sinasabi mo sa mga players mo, walang bibitaw, and that is exactly what they did. Ano naman ang masasabi mo ngayon sa mga players mo?
Nagpapasalamat ako dahil sa puso na pinakita ng mga players. Sabi ko nga, from the beginning, where are lanterns? Hindi po pwedeng merong bumbilya na pundido. Kailangan tayo lahat sumindi para mapakita natin ang ganda ng Pampanga Giant Lantern.
Very well said, Coach Gov. Ngayon naman po, Coach, meron ka po bang gustong sabihin sa mga Kapampangan na sumuporta sa Pampanga Giant Lantern?
First, sa lahat po ng prayer warriors namin, sa lahat po ng Kapampangan, maraming salamat sa mga dasal po ninyo. Sa lahat ng Kapampangan na nandito po ngayon, even the mayors, maraming salamat po. Huwag ho kayong magsasawa na sumuporta sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns. Ito pong championship na to, inaalay po namin para sa mga Kapampangan. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you so much po. Once again, that is our winning coach, Coach Governor Dennis Delta Pineda. Back to you sa Dalton, Coach Louie.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. What a season this has been, Coach Louie. And big congratulations again sa Pampanga Giant Lanterns. And may special guest pa sila sa awarding, ha?
Oo naman.
Our league founder, Mpbl league chairman and founder, Senator Manny Pacquiao, in the building for the awarding. And for now, meanwhile, let's go to Mika Abisamis, who is with Justin Baltasar.
Balti, walang ginawa lahat ng teams dito sa season na to kundi bantayan ka, depensahan ka. Alam kong masakit sa katawan, pero ito, sulit na lahat.
Ayun nga, lahat naman pinagpaguran ko ito, binuhos ko na lahat. Kahit masama yung pakiramdam ko, nakita nyo naman yung nilaro ko ng first quarter, second quarter, third quarter, pero di pa rin kayo bumitaw. Yung fourth quarter, talagang binigay ko talaga yung best ko.
Balti, tinanong ko kay Encho to kanina, nakita ko nagdikit yung noo nyo. Anong binulong mo kay Encho?
Ayun, nagpapasalamat kami sa isa't isa kasi pagod din siya eh. Every game talaga, nag-uusap kami, kahit pagod. Talaga para sa mga Kapampangan itong ginagawa namin.
Anong gusto mo sabihin kay Governor Delta Pineda at syempre sa pamilya mo na sumusuporta sa'yo?
Ayun, kay Dennis Delta Pineda, binigay ko lang yung gusto niya, yung champion. Lahat ng pinagpaguran namin, ito, nagbunga.
At sa pamilya mo, Balti?
Yun nagpapasalamat ako sa Serrano family, sa asawa ko, kay Chicks Sirano, and sa anak ko kay Zeus, and mga taga Mabalacat, and CG, kay Mayor Garbo, and kay Mayor Titango na taga Palit, taga Santo Niño, and then sa biyanan ko si Edward Serrano, and kay Mami Jean.
Maraming salamat our most valuable player, Justin Balti Baltazar. So now, Coach Louie.
Thank you so much, Mika, and nothing but praise para kay Justin Baltasar this season. That was something else yung kanyang ginawa this season for Pampanga. And yun nga yung going here, I was thinking, sabi ko, over the last, yung championships nitong Mpbl, I was thinking kung, if the franchises that have won the Mpbl, kung sinong team na ang cornerstone nila was a big man. And I think ito yung Pampanga, for the first time, yung cornerstone, big man eh. Because previously, before, kalat eh. Wala talagang, it's filled with a lot of role players, no? May mga iba-ibang, iba-ibang players na hindi as dominant though, as a Justin Baltasar this season.
And you know what you like with Balti as well is his attitude. Alam mo yun sa dati, he was never insecure. Instead, maraming player movement na nangyari for the Lanterns. Pero with Justin, is welcome addition sa kanya lahat yun eh. Because right now, this guy is a winner. He plays with a lot of purpose. He plays for Governor Pineda, Coach Governor Pineda. He plays for the province of Pampanga. And talking about dominant, I think it will take some time to replace Justin Baltasar, our league MVP. Dito sa ating MPBL sa daw.
Easily one of the greatest players to ever suit up in the MPBL, whatever the future holds para kay Justin Baltasar. We are so grateful that we have witnessed his greatness dito sa liga natin.
And also credit also to the organization, especially led by their coach, Governor Pineda. Alam mo yan, kasi palagi ko sinasabi every time I cover them, but I'm really impressed on how this team developed. Parang mga kinukuha niya, puro yung tinitingnan natin mga skills eh. Pero this became a defensive team, which to me right now gave them that championship. I mean, their defense won them that championship.
Oo. And yun nga, and as you mentioned, the way they wear down teams, it's just incredible to see them, play that way. And they seem to have another gear pag crunch time. When all the other teams are just, laboring to a victory, parang hirap, and parang may binubuhat na bigat sa paa yung ibang teams. Ito naman, lumalakas sa dulo.
Oo, totoo yun. And as a coach, that's the win that you always want. Yung patapos yung laro, mas doon mo nakuha yung biggest lead mo. Alam mo, nanalo ka ng komportable. Hindi ka nanalo ng namong protection.
And that's the same story here as well. No, it took them a while because full credit to Bacoor. They came to play tonight. John Nerma, James Gregote gave everything tonight. Sila rin ni Marky and John Ramito, and they had momentum. Take note, they had momentum up until the 5-minute mark ng fourth quarter in their bid to extend the series.
And and another good thing is they're not go to the situation already. They're in the same situation when they played San Juan in that Northern Division final. After San Juan all the way, tapos nung kinuha nila yung Kalamangan, and they won it there also, sa home turf ng San Juan.
There you have it. Our 2023 Mpbl National Champions, the Pampanga Giant Lanterns.
And this team is still young, Sadal. Imagine if this whole team will return next season, medyo mas mabigat na problema na talaga to.
Syempre, and the way they've recruited players, and middle of the season, biglang sumulpot nito si Echo Serrano na naka-line up pala, and then nandun din si Arwin Santos na I think yung value niya talaga was his experience and his, keeping them together, especially when the times were, nahihirapan sila and there was adversity in front of them.
Oh, and it was a great move by the organization, putting that last piece of in the puzzle na si Arwin Santos na alam mo yung magbabind para dito sa team nila. Kasi hindi na nila masyado kailangan, they have full of talents already. Kailangan nila someone na these players will look up to.
Oh, they needed a glue guy.
Oo, glue guy, exactly. That's the right word. And impressive talaga si Del kasi gumaling pa yung team eh. Doon ako tuwa-tuwa, doon ako bilib na bilib dito sa team na to. Gumaling pa toward the national finals and now they're champions already.
Pampanga Giant Lanterns, Coach Governor Elta Pineda right there. He is also our Coach of the Year. Saan ka nakakita? Governor na Coach of the Year pa.
Pwede pa nga executive eh.
Lahat. And make no mistake about it,
Yeah, and
sila dalawa yung combination nila ni
Coach Fedic.
and also
Kong AG.
Kong Dong Gonzalez. Very formidable.
Exactly. And again, the mission kasi yan, selfless mission, selfless sa Delta. They know that they're doing this for the province of Pampanga. They're doing this para ipakita kung ano yung program ng Kapampangan para doon sa kanilang manlalaro ng basketball.
No, this is a testament really
Oo.
to what they've been doing in the province, finding talent, developing talent, and letting them flourish and showing them to the entire world.
Oo, and maybe the only team as well na mas maraming homegrown players.
Oo. And it's a team that nakabalance really and can call their own. Kasi nga, ang daming ang taga sa kanila talaga. Sila talaga yung nag-epitomize ng homegrown.
And okay, right now they're they're written in the history of the Mpbl na sila. So, alam natin, with this kind of organization, mas mag-i-improve pa to, mas lalakas pa to. So, sa akin, this is a sign na kung gano'n mataas na rin yung ating liga.
No, and we mentioned nga kanina na parang pagpasok na sa court ng first match, sabi ko, this is a five that can play with the best of the five.
Oo.
Wow!
How sweet it is.
Oo. Alam mo, nung start nitong finals, Coach Louie, the Mpbl social media team put out a graphic, okay? Season MVP, All-Star MVP, ano pang kulang kay Justin Baltazar? He completes that tonight. National Championship and the Finals MVP. Wow, what a player.
Oo, and so who can be more proud? Alam mo yun, kaya I've handled this guy. And I know kung anong personalidad nitong taong to. And he deserves everything na meron siya right now. Okay? Because alam ko, pinagtrabahuan niya lahat yan.
Yung humility ni Justin Baltazar really, yung plays with a lot of heart and a lot of grit, pero never arrogant, never goes beyond the physical boundaries of the game.
Respectful.
Yeah. Just a great role model for every Filipino basketball player to see Justin Baltazar.
Oh, and I think that greatness, he represents, alam mo yun, yung greatness ng ating founder also. Down to earth, alam mo, talagang, that's why, kung ano yung success na nararamdaman niya right now, I'm just really happy for him.
So, it's a sweet sweep for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns. All hands on the trophy, and why not? They've all done their part.
And that's really worth it.
Because that's an expensive trophy also.
Yeah, thank you to our founder, Senator Manny Pacquiao, for this one. And So that I know we're just gonna get bigger and bigger.
And just an incredible season. Coach Louis and